Man, I got a trade breakdown on GJ on an hour time frame. This is I'm still in this play right now. We're finna hit TP in a minute. Waiting on that to get hit. This is a cool 1-3, and put it up right here for y'all. Got in the white line right here. Yeah, almost got stopped out right here. Came down very close to stop loss. Did not get out. Holding my nuts. Learn from my mistake. As y'all seen from my last video, I told y'all that I'm not getting no more trades that started going against me. I did just that, and look, let me win it. But let me tell y'all why I took this trade. So let me take this back off. So first thing first, I checked the daily time frame to see if we bullish or bearish. Or pretty, I already use a daily. I use the daily time frame to check the stage that we in. We're clearly in the stage 2. We don't have a top yet. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our 4th day. We have to wait till this day closes to have a top and bottom. So we're still bullish on the daily. But then we go to the 1 hour. Let me find my entry. Let me put replay mode real quick for y'all. Put replay mode real quick for y'all, real quick. Replay mode. So I seen this trade right here. And I actually got a screen recording that I'm going to put on the screen right here to show y'all how it looked live. Cause, you know what I'm saying? So I seen this trade right here. What's time? This is 10 o'clock. I seen this trade. It broke this Bollinger Band and it got a cold RSI. So that's an automatic, red flag. Something about to go down. So you wait. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, right? You got 4 candles. This is 1 p.m. You got 4 candles. So I'm going to enter on the next candle if it's above this 5 EMA. Right? I want to enter with a bottom. I want to have my stop right below structure. Well, I don't know. We draw one because I already got shit on here. Well, actually, I got in there sooner than that. Actually, my bad, y'all. I got in sooner than that. I got in like right here. Hold on. Actually, wait. Let me see something. I think I got in around like 10 o'clock. Hold on. What time they say? 9, 10. Let's see, 11. Yeah. I actually got around like 9, 10. I actually got around like 10, 11 o'clock. Sorry, y'all. I got in around this area right here. So, boom. I seen that this stage 1 forming right here. This stage 1, just clear there, stage 1. Put a box on it right here. That's the highest. That's the lowest. Sorry if it's a lot on the screen right now. My bad, y'all, about that. But see this stage 1 right here. This is stage 1. Then you go to the 4 hour just to confirm the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. All I need is 4 candles for a bottom on a higher time frame. This is a higher time frame. This is the 4 hour. I'm entering off the 1 hour. The 1 hour already got more than 4 bars, so I know that this is a bottom on the 1 hour. Now this is a bottom on a 4 hour as well. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. So that just gave me, a little bit more confluence with the trade. So yeah. So then I just let it rock out. You know what I'm saying? I just let it rock out. So what I said now. See, look, this little wick right here at 2 in the morning at the open of New York, it shot up, came down, and closed right here. But, motherfucker could have panic sold right there. Did not panic sell, my guy. Come on. Don't stop lagging on me, man. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit TP1 right here. Stay in the trade. Hit TP2. Right here, look, this big push right here, that's the opens. Them opens is very dangerous. That's why being like, an intraday trader or trading on the higher time frames can be a little scary because these opens right here, like that open came a couple pips away. What, about, it's a couple pips, it's about like 20, 20, 30 pips away from my stop loss. I'm glad it didn't stop me out. Thank God. All this pushing up and down. I'm sleeping around this time. I ain't even look at this shit. This the open right here. This 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. That's the open. And then that's where we at right now. So I mean, pretty good trade so far. Still in it. Still waiting on my final take profit to be hit. Came very close to that, but it didn't take it out. Literally came a couple pips to that. We're still not high on the RSI, so we still got a lot of room to go up. 4 hour breakout on the 4 hour, nowhere near to be hot, so we're waiting on my TP to be hit. That's really it, man. I'm gonna drop some more content for y'all boys, man. Just stay patient with me, man, and we're gonna keep working. But this the trade right here, though. I'm gonna do more trade breakdowns, explaining the Bollinger Bands and how to use it with the RSI and all that good stuff like that. But let me know down below if y'all enjoyed this video. I'm Kevo, join the gang, and make sure that y'all be checking news and stuff too, man. I use Forex Factory. It's pretty smooth. It lets you know like the time. It lets you know the time that the news gonna come out, the currency pair, the type of file it is, and all that good stuff like that. So yeah, make sure y'all be using this too when y'all trade. And yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. I'm gone. Peace.